Hi, I'm Ryan Cummings from R&R Law Group. Welcome to Your Brother at Law. Here, we break Arizona law in simple, straightforward terms. Whether you need tips or insights on legal processes, I'm here to make the law easier to understand. Let's dive in and make legal knowledge more accessible for everyone.
So the next question we got for Brother at Law was, I've got a warrant for my arrest. What do I do? So generally speaking, this comes one of two ways. One is through a grand jury indictment. Those are for felonies, and that means that the state went through a grand jury process and then asked the judge to issue a warrant for your arrest at the end of the grand jury process. And the judge granted that. Now, usually the only way you find out about this is you get arrested on the grand jury indictment. But if for some instance you found out about this grand jury indictment and you weren't arrested on it, well, then you need to call a lawyer so that you can get the warrant quashed and ask the judge to set a status conference so that you can go in and hopefully not have to go into custody. The other way a warrant gets issued is you missed a court date. This is one that happens pretty often. And when this happens, you're going to need a lawyer to help you quash that warrant as well. Now, this can happen in misdemeanor cases. It can also happen in felony cases. But what that process is then is if you missed a court date, you're going to have somebody go in and try and quash your warrant. Lawyers can do this. It happens, like I said, pretty regularly. But the other way that it happens is, if you got issued a summons in the mail. So that's the other way that cases can get started in Arizona is the state files a summons. And a summons basically means that they send it out to your last known address trying to get you to appear in court. Now, we see this a lot as well as where maybe you moved and your mail gets lost or something happens and you just don't get notice of it and then you miss that initial court date. So it's the same thing. You missed a court date, but if you contact the lawyer's office, we can certainly help you quash that warrant and get started on your case. So it's not the end of the world. Try not to get pulled over, but if you have a warrant out, that's what's going to happen, but it can be quashed. You're going to need a lawyer's help to do it. Call our office. We can certainly help you quash that warrant.
Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We'll see you in the next video.